In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a course in Circle. So, providing you with a step-by-step guide to efficiently create and organize your course content. Circle.so is a powerful community platform where you can build engaging courses for your audience. Let's dive in and explore the process together. First, make sure you're logged into your Circle.so account and navigate to the main dashboard. Starting from the homepage, you'll need to find and click on Courses. This section is where all the magic happens regarding course creation and management. Once you're in the Courses section, look for the Create a Course button. Clicking this button will initiate the course creation process. It's your gateway to structuring and organizing all the lessons and sections of your course. After clicking Create a Course, you'll be directed to a setup page. Here, click Next to proceed further into the setup process. Now that you're tasked with setting up the course space, you'll need to type in your space name. This can be anything that closely represents the theme or the title of your course. Once satisfied with the name, confirm your actions by clicking Create Space. This action finalizes the creation of the foundational framework for your course. With your course space established, it's time to delve into the course content itself. Click on Edit Lessons, which allows you to customize and manage the specific lessons within your course. To get started with your lessons, you'll first want to click on Plus Add section. This will help you break down your course into manageable parts and organize your content effectively. After creating a section, you'll need to add lessons. So go ahead and type in the lesson name for your first lesson. Once you've decided on a name that reflects the content of your lesson, make sure to click on Check to save your work. If you wish to add more depth to your section, click on Plus Add New and then choose Lesson from the options. Click on Untitled Lesson 1 to give it a more meaningful name, which will help your participants understand what to expect from this particular lesson. Finalize by entering lesson name and clicking Check once more to confirm your changes. To add another layer to your course, you might want to introduce an additional section. Repeat the process by clicking on Plus Add section, then type in Lesson 2 name for the subsequent lesson you wish to create. As with your previous lesson, save it by clicking Check. This comprehensive tutorial walked you through each critical step to successfully add a course in Circle. So, empowering you to construct a well-organized and engaging learning experience for your community. By following these straightforward steps, you can customize your course content proficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been valuable to your course creation journey.